Climate change is no longer a distant warning from scientists. It is a reality unfolding right before our eyes. As I learned about the difference between climate change and weather, it becomes painfully clear how often people misunderstand the signs around us. A cold week, unexpected storm, or a scorching day is not climate change by itself. These are fragments of weather. Yet, when these patterns shift over decades, when glaciers shrink, sea rise, and ecosystem unravel, that is climate speaking. The evidence is overwhelming. Ice cores whisper stories of Earth's ancient temperatures, revealing how slowly carbon dioxide once rose over 10,000 of years. Now, in only a few centuries, human activity has pushed carbon dioxide levels far beyond historical limits. Greenhouse gases, burning fossil fuels, deforestation, or industrial processes trap heat in our atmosphere like an ever-thickening blanket. Milankovic cycle, solar intensity, or volcanic eruptions, our impact is fast, unrelenting, and unprecedented. The results are dramatic: glaciers disappearing, sea level rising, species migrating or dying, and ecosystems struggling to adapt to a world warming too quick. Climate change is the defining environmental challenge of our time, and understanding is not just important, it is necessary for our survival. The future of our planet depends on what we choose to do right now. To understand climate change is to recognize that what we are living is a turning point of history. It is important, crucial, even to know what climate change really is. Because ignorance leads to inaction, and inaction leads to irreversible loss. When plants flower too early, when ice caps melt at alarming rates, when ancient climate cycles are disrupted, we are witnessing changes that will shape the lives of every generation after us. Climate change is not just a scientific topic, it is a human story, one that demands responsibility, awareness, and courage.